FL608 horizontal resistor forming machine, UK model. Deal for horizontal lead forming, K-cut, or flat cut, and trimming a bulk and two-packed axial components such as resistors, diodes, and other electronic parts. Equipped with an ultra-precise indexing mechanism, allowing both trimming and forming to be completed in one step. Offering high processing capacity. Available in multiple configurations. Bulk feeding FL608MA CA. Tube feeding FL608 megabytes as CB. And bulk lead combining FL608 models. Customizable molds based on customer requirements. With the ability to design any processing shape. This is currently the most advanced resistor forming machine.